Don't look now, but I'm making progress. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to the build of the C6 Corvette, and yes, we have indeed made progress. As you can see right now, I'm looking through a windshield that's not exploded and crashed all over the interior. This is an actual GM windshield that I got through Stingray Chevy. They had the best price on it. Comes with the GPS monitor unit there that kind of snaps into place. This is also one that's designed for the heads-up display. I'll show you as I zoom in here and start the car. You'll see that display unit come up there. See there? You can also change the modes. I'm gonna leave it on track mode for forever. No, it automatically resets, I think, to the street mode. But anyway, looking across the gauges there, you can see that LS2 has killer oil pressure. You'll see the temperature is rising to where it should be. The low tire pressure indicator is on, and I'm not even gonna mess with that yet. But over to the right, charging well. Still has some old gas in it. There's our brand new driver's side airbag. Don't have the passenger side one yet. What's gonna happen is this entire dash pad's gonna get swapped out, and when that happens, I'll put in the other airbag that I already have for it. But as you can see, all the displays are working the way they should. All the buttons inside here. It's got selective ride on it. It's the first one I've had that has had selective ride on it. It's incredibly dirty. Look how nasty that is. But let's go look. I was gonna say under the hood, but there's not a hood. Let's go outside and check out there. There's the LS2. The very next year they went with the LS3, but this is still a great engine, 400 horse. And it also has the nice heads on it, 243 heads, which would have been a Z06 head just a couple of years before this in the C5. But there's a new condenser there. There are new lines, which I haven't put them on yet, but I have a new set of lines. There's a new radiator behind there. There's a new fan assembly. Got the new control arm over here, A-arm, whatever you want to call it. And over on this side, a brand new tire, the correct size. Outside, that's pretty much all that we've done for now. As you can see, it's got the lower radiator support and things like that, but I already did a video showing you how to do that. As of right now, it's looking good. I love that new windshield in there. It just made all the difference because I was looking through a big piece of folded up plastic. Speaking of which, see all these bars? I, just as a way to keep myself out of the Florida sun, just bought and installed a new 10 by 20 canopy that was supposed to keep the sun off the top, but still let some air through. And we had a little rainstorm come through here and just smoked it. Around the corner here, you see our old radiator there, smoked. But got a hood over there that's going to be going on it. There's two more fenders. I don't have inner fender wells yet, and those are actually really pricey. I thought I had a connection where I found one for a little over 400 bucks new, but that's an old price. They're about 700 bucks a piece by the time they get to me. So 1,400 bucks just for the two pieces that go right on here. I still have to cut this off, grind it off, and then I'll be able to put those on. But that's the main cost I have still. Also, there are going to be some places around the body. I can get a new mirror for about 80 bucks, but look at that right on the door. And that further back on the door. We even have a nice little scratch right there. But we're gonna see what kind of help wet sanding can be. You see, there's just little places. To refresh your memory, this guy drove this through a concrete block wall. And since then, I've done the tie bar on the front, the radiator support, the radiator, the condenser, all kinds of stuff on the front of the engine. Like I said, the fan assembly. The frame has been straightened and it's ready to drive. It goes down the road beautifully. I drove it around the block like this. I'm a Kentucky boy. I get it honestly, as they say. But anyway, that's an update on it. I'm going to make a little list here, just as we do a still shot. And I'm going to just come up with a list of all the stuff I've done and the cost that I've paid for each one of the things. And maybe that'll give you an idea what you can find various parts for. Because rest assured, I got the parts that I got for the cheapest I could possibly find them. So here is your list of all the stuff, how much it was, and where I got it. Keep in mind, this was in June 2022, so prices may have gone up, they may be the same, they may be lower. Also, I got lucky on a couple prices. Thanks for watching, guys.